Now we study political geography, geopolitical ideas. Okay. First, now we discuss geopolitical ideas. So, development of political geography is primarily credited to German scholar Ratzel, who propounded organic state concept in the social Darwinism, comparing state with an organism with the with the potentialities of growing or dying. The German scholar Ratzel, who provided organic state in the social Darwinism, comparing the state with an organism with the potentialities of growing or dying. This approach for political geography through prepared as political approach during the first half of the 20th century, but it marks its sequential decline in the evolution of contemporary geopolitical equations. Counterbalancing Ratzel's idea, American scholar Mohan initiated geopolitical idea, emphasizing that political important and equations are outcome of locations. These geopolitical ideas were strongly enriched by the disciple, Britain scholar Mackinder, like Mohan. So here we study this approach of political geography. Though prevailed as for practical approach during the first half of the 20th century, but it marks its sequential decline in the evolution of the contemporary geopolitical equations. And counterbalancing Ratzel's idea, American scholar Mohan initiated geopolitical ideas, emphasizing that political importance and equations are outcome of locations. These geopolitical ideas were strongly enriched by his disciple Britain scholar Mackinder. Like Mohan, Mackinder's geopolitical idea were based on sea power. However, he presented one of the most enlarged and applicable idea in dynamic orientations. His geopolitical ideologies are primarily derived from his research paper entitled Geopolitical Pivot of History. His textbooks, Democratic Ideas and Realities. His research paper entitled The Round World and Winning the Peace. He presented his first research paper in front of Royal Geographical Society way back in 1904. As a young political geographer, Mackinder outlined the concept of natural fortress as the area that cannot be enriched upon by the serious. So here important things he presented. Here is dynamic relations. Applicable ideas, which is geopolitical ideologies, are primarily derived from his research paper entitled Geographical Pivot of History. His textbooks, Democratic Ideas and Reality. His research paper entitled The Round World and Winning the Peace. He presented his first research paper in front of Royal Geographical Society way back in 1904. As a young political geographer, Mackinder outlined the concept of natural fortress as the area that cannot be encroached upon by the sea routes identifying it as pivot area. He recognized it to be the region extends between our river Volga and to Siberia, and includes which includes frozen mouths of the rivers and non-navigable Arctic Ocean, projecting highest potentiality to become the mode of political economic growth of the world. Surrounding pivot area, he demarcated inner crescent or marginal crescent. It was demarcated from Manchuria to Scandinavia, including Africa, North Africa, including like Africa, Southwest, South and Southeast Asia, beyond inner crescent. Okay, inner crescent. He demarcated outer crescent or insular crescent, including New World, Southern Africa, along with British and Japanese islands. In this paper, he also demarcated World Island. And that is the combined landmass of Eurasia and Africa that the projected maximum share of land territory of world along with maximum population. This research paper marked the first major approach of demarcating map of world in geopolitical and relevant territories. It was therefore given strength and support by the Geographic Society, and encouraging Mackinder to enlarge his geopolitical ideas. In his subsequent empirical observations, he prominently identified growing significance of Western Europe on economic front in dominating regulations of global trade and its reflection as German invasions on Caesar ruled Russia, recognizing him to mold his natural fork. In addition, 1970 October Revolution marking the termination of rule of Russia and establishment of Soviet Socialist Republic was integrated by Mackinder in his geopolitical idea in 1919. Full-fledged text on his on his geopolitical ideas called Democratic Ideas and Realities. Okay, so termination of the rule of and Russian king, establishment of Soviet Socialist Republic was integrated by Mackinder in his geopolitical ideas in 1919. Full-fledged text on his geopolitical idea called Democratic Ideas and Reality. He projected the term heartland. The heartland was defined as enlarged pivot integrating geopolitical expanse of USSR along with its influence zone, including Danube Valley, Poland, Tibet, China, Asia Minor, and Persia. Enlargement of pivot area as heartland. Distinct crescent with similar extension of outer crescent, maintained giving recognition to German invasion. Mackinder identified that as a heartland can be introduced included only, that is the European step. The controller of Eastern Europe will control heartland, thus world island and world. His book also emphasized on projections of growth of heartland as the mode of political, technological, cultural and economic growth of the world. His projections of 1919 practically evolved with the convincing growth. The former USSR registered the eventually evolved as global world power. It is in form of USSR that Mackinder marked his contribution in geopolitics on practically most relevant geopolitical ideas. This practically was further added in the last major amendment attempted by the scholar in his research paper of 1943. The round world and the winning of space were apart from maintaining his heartland. He introduced mainland, midland, and 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 Lenaland. Okay, so introduced Midland and Lenaland. With Midland, he attempted to give recognition to the growing collaborated capitalist capitalist capacity. Okay, so across North Atlantic to counterbalance dominating growth of heartland, recognition of Midland further added to the practical orientation of heartland concept. Moreover, he identified the presence of adversity zones both within heartland and midland, collectively recognizing it as Lenaland. Okay, that was extensive from river Lena, that is East Siberia mountain, to Bering Strait, Alaska and Western Cordilleras, making his geopolitical idea one of the most dynamic, progressive, and practically utilized examples. So next we discuss heartland theory, appraisal of the heartland concept. Thank you, friends.